Tomorrow on Today, why you should be doing less housework, the chores you can cut back on to save hundreds each year.
And we settle the Christmas movie debate once and for all. What's the best festive flick of all time? See you from 5:30.
Banana Boat sunscreen protects the fun on Earth, from making a splash fun to exploring the world fun. It's tested to Australia's highest SPF standards, so you're protected while doing all the fun stuff. Banana Boat sunscreen lasts as long as the fun does.
The ASX took a 1.5% hit today, with global markets thrown off balance by a change to Japan's economic policies, which shows just how sensitive investors remain after a rollercoaster year on the market. And there were some massive individual wipeouts. Skincare company BWX, which owns half of Zoe Foster-Blake's Go-To brand, collapsed by more than 50% after announcing hundreds of millions in losses. Retailer City Chic tumbled by more than 30%, and Domain fell close to 10%. Both warned investors of a tricky operating environment. So more than a few shareholders will be feeling worse for wear this evening. And the Australian dollar was also lower across the board, particularly against the yen.
To the latest weather now, and it was pretty much 4 seasons in one day. It was cloudy, it was hot, humid, even a little cold at times, and there was heavy rain at one point. We had a top of 30 degrees around 1:45 this afternoon, following a warm night of 24 at 6:30 this morning. Right now it is 23.5. In our northern suburbs today, 31 degrees at Elizabeth, 30 at Mawson Lakes, but warmer along the coast, 32 at Glenelg, 33 at Noarlunga. A very hot one through the north of our state, 40 degrees at Coober Pedy, Port Pirie with 33, 31 at Kadina. Further south, a top of 34 at Narracourt, Kangaroo Island 28 and 31 in Mount Gambier. If you're travelling tomorrow, a mostly sunny day for Melbourne, 29 degrees there, partly cloudy and 23 in Sydney, 21 for Hobart. Back in South Australia tomorrow, a possible shower expected in Whyalla, 27 the top. The chance of a storm in Port Augusta with 30 and cloudy in Ceduna with 24 there. Further south, up to 27 degrees in the Barossa tomorrow. Similar for Kingscote, a warm night for the Riverland before a top of 29 degrees. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for damaging winds, large hailstones and heavy rainfall in parts of the northwest and northeast pastoral and Flinders districts. On local waters, winds northeasterly, seas to a metre. Now, we're likely to see showers for most suburbs tomorrow, going for a top of 29 at Elizabeth. Similar conditions in Marion, Mount Barker with 27. A rainy day expected for Noarlunga. Here in the CBD, the high chance of showers in the morning, even a thunderstorm possible. Heading for 28, it will cool down to 19 tonight. And then for the rest of the week, a mostly sunny 24 on Thursday, partly cloudy and 25 on Friday. Then on Christmas Eve, 25 degrees as well. On Sunday, that is Christmas Day, going for 32 degrees. All right, Monday it warms up much further, 38 degrees. And then on Tuesday, look at that, the mercury nudging 40. And that wraps up Adelaide's 9 News for this Tuesday. I'm McDonald. Have a great evening. Good night.